good day! So today, papunta kami sa SM City dahil may bibilhin kami. So last time, nag-promise ako kay mama na bibigyan ko siya ng Christmas gift. Kasi nga, di ba, nagbigay kami ng Christmas gift kay mother ni Axel. And we like to give it equal. Of course naman, hindi naman pwedeng magbigay tayo sa mama ni Axel. Tapos, yung mother ko, yung hindi mabigyan, di ba? So, I promised her that when I come back, bibigyan ko si mama ng Christmas gift. Tapos, pag uwi namin galing Norway, na-short kami sa budget. Kasi nga, pag uwi namin, nagbabayad kami ng taxes. Tapos, nagpapatayo kami ng mini temporary house namin. So, medyo nahirapan na rin kami maibigay ka mama yung promise. Pero nagplan naman akong ibigay. Pero naghihintay lang talaga ko na magkaroon ako ng extra na pera. So anyway, dahil ngayon pupunta tayo sa SM City. Tapos si mama, yesterday, nagpunta siya every Saturday to Sunday. Nagpunta siya sa Carbon para magtinda. So hindi pa siya umuwi dahil marami pang talong na eggplant na hindi po na-ebenta dahil kagabi po sobrang maulan. So today, sinachat ko yung kapatid ko na magme-meet kami sa SM City dahil nga may ipapakarga ako sa kanya. Dahil nga yung sasakyan ni mother, multi-cab, so more space kapag pagkargahan mo. So sinabi ko sa kanya na may ipakarga ko. But the reality is, ipapipili ko, bibilhin ko po yung promise ko sa kanya na Christmas gift. Dahil nagkaroon na tayo ng extra na pera. So, thank you, Lord. So, nagkaroon na tayong extra pera. So, mabili na natin ng mga needs or yung promise ko kay mama. So, hindi niya alam. So, susuprevahin natin si mother. So, itong anong tawag to, itong surpresa na to, hindi lang to para kay mama, para rin to sa lahat. So alam niyo, pinapapili ko sa kanya kung ano ang gusto niya, diba? So kanya siyang kamalay-malay. So we'll try to surprise her. Tapos may bibilhin rin kami sa city na what's called of that rice cooker, because this morning the rice cooker Axel get electrocuted. Is that a correct word? Electrocuted,
yeah.
Yes, because I told him, can you check the rice if it's boiling? And he touched the water and he electrocuted. That's what happened.
Yeah, and follow command of test.
And then we need to buy another washing machine dahil nga po yung washing machine namin nasira na po dahil nga it's been, where you go, honey? Straight? We're going to SM or straight?
Yeah.
So yung washing machine namin nasira na po is like, it's already been 5 years na po siya yung washing machine namin. Tapos nag-retire na po. Nung nag-washing ako kahapon, nakita ko po na may lumalabas na electricity sa loob ng yung bang may timer. What's the call of that? The timer. Timer. Basta the timer. The timer. So kaya nga, bago pa tayo magkaroon ng apoy-apoy dyan, di na natin gagamitin. So, nga po, papunta tayo sa SM City. See? Ano? May kasama pala akong mga bata. Po si Cyrus, ang anak-anak ko, at si Liam. Mga dalawang babies. Si Cyrus ayaw na umuwi. Cyrus, do you wanna go home?
No.
See? No.
I stay with you.
I stay with you. Wonder why.
200 meters. Keep right to continue on Natalio B. Bacalso Avenue.
I wonder why, Cyrus.
That's like one of my family. My family.
That's horrible.
She's being dramatic now, so he don't want to go home.
Keep right to continue on
Feel
Natalio
this.
B. Bacalso Avenue. Then
What?
turn right onto F. Vestal Street.
I don't know where we're going, but yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, something.
We're going to the city.
Oh yeah.
You're getting close.
See you SM City. So titingnan
8
natin.
kilometers.
Ano ni Mama? Reaction. Kung maging masaya
Take
ba
the
siya
second
o
right onto F.
malungkot.
Vestal Street.
So si Mother wala kasi nga daw maraming mga paninda. So nagbebenta pa si Mother hanggang ngayon sa Carbon kaya hindi siya sumali or hindi siya nakapunta, yung meron lang yung kapatid ko. But anyway, bibigyan pa rin natin. Bili tayo ng dalawa. So nandito tayo sa SM Appliance Center kung saan tayo bibili. Nga si Liam. SM Appliance.
Oh, yeah.
I promise him. Chocolate. He expect to go right away.
Little viral.
Come on. You wait. Wait. Ay. Cyrus, dali. Ay. Wait. Ito pala yung bibilhin namin para kay Mama, oh.
Ay, mas gusto ko to. Mas gusto ko to.
No.
Gusto ko na expensive.
No. I know. Destroy. Iro. Stay.
This is 9.5 kilo. It is Panasonic though.
It's Panasonic.
This and this, the 8 kilo Panasonic too. I mean,
That one na lang because I know that's the... Oh, kita! Tara nga!
Maybe just
I know that one is the one who...
this is
stay longer.
Panasonic has average washing machine for Panasonic average 7.4 years of survival. 7.4. That is pretty good. That's third best.
I want that one.
Okay.
I want the things that my mom
Doesn't
knows.
matter. I bet they're all pretty much the same.
Washing machine na. May washing machine na sila. Di na sila pupunta sa bahay para magpalaba. Kahit na sobrang layo namin, nagpadala pa ng isang sakong labanan.
American home, that's why I wanted, huh?
Yes!
Ah, okay. Yeah, good. 8 kilo or 10 kilo?
10 calories.
You know it is. Bring it up.
This is why I want American home dahil we already...
Yeah, for your mom's family, they probably need American home quality, right?
Yep.
Because we know it's good. It survived Jeff's life, should survive them too. Come from the same house.
So, last fruit buddy.
Yeah.
Okay, we take this.
Find the salesperson and we ring that one up.
Okay. Kuya, say salesperson. Where did I go? Kani. Namoy ko. Oo.
And then for us, Kesa. Okay, this is the air dry that takes 90 minutes, yes? And the one we should buy instead is the turbo dry.
I bought a TV for my papa. You know, I'm kind sometimes. No, when I have a little extra, I want to buy this. I think this is the last thing because I already give almost everything na. They have washing, they have the TV, they have the house. What else? This is motorbike This is 50-inch TV with Google para meron kasi na silang TV nung binili ko before. Kaso nga lang, hindi siya makonect sa YouTube. Siya makonect sa internet. With ano lang siya. Ito, may Netflix, may YouTube na. O, diba? Pak, saan ka dyan? 5. Nagko-cost siya ng 19,000. 18,990. So, 18,000. Ayan. Iti-test muna. Oh. Papakainin natin sila ng unlimited habang may pera pa. Pag wala, di na kumain. Let's eat this, eat this. Let's see here. Diyan. Diyan.
Ay, di ba pesero?
Maapil si Ros, sayang ka.
Sibo ka rin, Ross? Okay na naman.
Are lang, are.
Uy, patong dyan?
Ari li ay, ari di ay.
This meat is so good.
Sit down, sit down.
Yes, I only want to go any size dish at all.
Where's the vegetable?
We actually are requesting for we wrote that for the side.
Yeah, but they will deliver.
Huh?
They will deliver to. All I want to know what you want is that you have
Are we going to deliver mine? No. No, she didn't finish, but I ordered it.
Delisa, oh, coco, coco, coco. Delisa, oh, coco. Olanda, wanda, infinity to the under. Olanda, wagba. This life now we dey ponder. Ogbeni no dey form holy. I ask you question, no dey share story. Because it no be man go take glory. Take glory, Olua. Check critical hater. Turn me to the better. Jamie stick the greater. Complete in the maker. Only one na 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 na. Only one na 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 na. Elisa, oh, coco, coco. Elisa, oh, coco. But it's like we living in a race, we dey run, oh no. Enemy day, we dey burn, no, 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 We try to stay in the one way they give us up. Like the one way they find us up. Take glory, Olua. Check critical hater. Turn me to the better. Jamie stick the greater. Complete in the maker. Only one na 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 na. Only one na 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 na.
Ayun na, lahat ng washing, dalawang washing, isang TV, rice cooker, diba, pat. Pang mayaman. Pang mayaman na yung mahirap. Pang bigay ko yan sa mother ko eh. Mahabaging happy na siya. Meron na yung more important niya.